Hey folks, how you doing? We're getting to do a new video today. Well, we're doing a new video, but today we're getting a new John Deere delivered. All right, I can't tell you what it is, but my salesman, Tim Brooks, Change of Equipment, Chester, is getting it delivered. So I'm wait. Uh-oh, he's coming now. He's pulling up. All right, here we go. We're gonna keep it rolling. Looking at an enclosed trailer too. Woo, dog it. That's fancy. That's something else. Yes, my actual salesman delivering. Got a nice old Chevrolet. 3/4 ton. He's good at that. He can do it for a living. He get real good. Zoom up on that puppy. Yeah, we'll see what this is going to be. Yeah, great salesman, I'll tell you one thing. I called North Carolina, Virginia, all different James River equipment, and my local dealer give me the best deal out of anybody. My local James River equipment gave me my best price. For a while I thought they had the APB on me. Everybody knew my name by heart. Of course, I've been dealing with them since 2004. James River equipment. So yeah, good to go. Looking good, Tim. Yes, Tim Brooks was salesman. All right, we'll see what we got coming here. There she is. You see, it's kind of big. I sold a 2320. And I got the, let's see here. All right, let's pause it for a minute. All right, here we go. And you know it's a diesel when you just cranked it up. Put the 3-point hitch on there. Oh man. Thing look like it's running 100 mile an hour sitting still. There you go, Tim. I appreciate it. Yeah, y'all, we got an X758 4-wheel drive with a 48-inch deck. That thing is awesome. I think it's awesome. Armrests, the whole 9 yards. Great day. All right, we'll come back here shortly. All right, folks, this is my salesman. Before we go, that's Tim Brooks. When you go to Chester, Virginia, Change of Equipment, ask for Tim Brooks to give you the best deal. Like I said, I called all over North Carolina, Virginia. He gave me the best deal out of everybody. So I'll show you a business card here shortly. Okay, folks, we're back. And my sales guy, Tim Brooks. There we go. Good to go. Very good to go. That's the man you want to see. Alright. Well, anyway, I got the X758. Here's the engine. It's a 24 horsepower diesel. And it is bad to the bone. I don't know what to say. I had a lot of choices of what I wanted to get. And I wanted a 48-inch deck. So I got the Accel 48-inch with the mulching kit. Mulching kit's right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, this is the bomb. It is one heavy duty lawnmower, garden tractor, that is. And it's what I wanted in a tractor, a garden tractor. I had the 2320, sold that, and then I got rid of the X350, and I wanted a 4-wheel drive. So it really helped out a lot. So, I mean, this thing's built stout. Get your filter right in there, and your oil cooler, which is right in there. Right there. And that's a screen you just pull out to clean out. You got a glove box right here. I got my gloves in there, and a deck leveling gauge, and this other part right here for to lower the deck up and down. Your tool. Got a 12-volt outlet right here. This is a 2019. Let me see here. There she is. All right. Right there. All right. Getting back to the engine. But yeah, tires are awesome. They're tear across tires, HDAP, heavy duty all-purpose tires. Wanted a 3-point hitch on there. I'll show you what else I got. That's all, and the whole hood will come off. They're just good to go. John Deere. I installed my trickle charger on there already. Down here. And it comes out right here. Well, I'll show you in a minute when I close up the hood. Let's crank her up though. Here's the dash. Alright. Close the hood. There's a grab right here. 40 RPM PTO. Let's shut it down. There she is. Alright, shut her down. But I didn't get the 540 RPM PTO because I got rid of my tiller, my John Deere 647 tiller, and that's where the 540 RPM PTO would go. Right up in there. That's where we go. But this eye match will come right out the way. Simple, easy peasy. So when I'm cutting grass in the spring and summer, I'll have the eye match off and do my garden work in the spring, and then I'll take the eye match off until I need it. But yeah, diesel, like I say, diesel, 24 horsepower diesel. Oh yeah, but she's one slick operator, I'm tell you. She's nice. Tilt steering wheel, armrest. The seat's leather. I mean, I got a seat cover for it. That's embroidered on there. But yeah, you can't beat it. I decided on this over the 1 Series because smallest deck they have is 48. I mean, it's 54. I wanted a 48. That's why I went with the X758 diesel, that is. Change River equipment. Love them. All right, we'll wrap this video up on the delivery. Got the 42-pound quick touch weights. Yeah, pretty good. You know, look at it. I'm out here. There we go. There's one mean operator there. She's tough. All right, y'all. We'll be back for some more videos. Let you see how it goes. And right here, this is the right there. That's the traction assist right there. Press that, and all 4 of them will kick in. Yep. All right. All right, we'll be back in a second. Okay, y'all. There she is, the X758 diesel, 24 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, 48-inch deck. Love it. I love it. But this is what I've been up to. I got rid of the X350, got rid of the 2320, and that's what I got. That's what I decided on. Aluminum rims, I like that. That's a cool feature. Like they put on the John Deere Gators. All right, y'all. Well, here's Tim Brooks. His business card, and I'll give you a link and everything in the description. There's his email too. Sorry. Many thanks again, Tim. Appreciate it, buddy. Thanks, Change River Equipment. Like I said, I called all over North Carolina, South Carolina. Every Change River Equipment and the other dealers too, and they give me the best price. Can't beat your own town John Deere store. All right, y'all. Well, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. God bless and Semper Fi. Hoorah. Y'all take it easy now. And one more look at it. Love that thing. All right, y'all. Y'all take it easy. She's brand spanking new. Got like less than 2 hours on it. All right now. maybe 1 3/4. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.